Hey, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood, bruh. I got my tea right here. Like always, my lovely, beautiful subscribers, and we're just finna make something crazy today. But if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? Let's grow the channel even more, and I want you to be a part of it. So let's get it. Since I'm feeling so good, I want to make something in the major scale, and I'm going to load up this sunset plug from my kit. Tempo at 160 maybe. So what I'm going to do is search for like a nice shaper box sound, and I want to like flip it into something really crazy. I just really want to go like unique with my melodies lately. I don't know, like I just want to try different stuff, you feel me? Okay, so I'm going to render out this plug sound. What we can do is just like create an automation clip for the volume, and then just like let it duck down every time right here, and then let it come back up, because I don't like this middle part right here. I'm going to delete these middle notes. Right now it's time for the drum, so we need like a really hard 808, you feel me? Let's pitch everything down. I think it will sound much better when it's pitched down. Right now it's just too like, just like, I don't know. I was feeling it, but right now I'm not feeling it anymore. Shit, this beat is hard, bro. Not gonna lie. It really fit well with my mood today. I was feeling like something more happier instead of like all that dark stuff we're making on the channel. Sometimes we just like need to switch it up a little bit, feel me? But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.